Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting the Seat Arona infotainment system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Resetting the infotainment system will put all of the infotainment system settings back to factory settings. Any settings you have changed will return to the factory default. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then tap System. Scroll down the system settings and tap Factory Settings. In the factory settings, tap All Settings. Tap Reset on the pop-up. Your infotainment system will now be returned to the factory settings. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.